To unleash mid-fight transformations and fusions in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero, you need to manage your skill points and pick the right team setup. Start by checking your skill gauge in the top left corner of the screen during combat. You generate these points over time as you attack and defend. Before transforming, monitor your gauge until you have enough points stored. On PC, press Z to pull up the transformation wheel or tap up on the D-pad for PlayStation and Xbox controllers. Highlight your desired form, like Super Saiyan, then press Space on PC, Cross on PlayStation, or X on Xbox to trigger the change. If you want to perform a fusion instead, make sure you selected compatible fighters from the same saga during Team Select, like super versions of Goku and Vegeta. Once your skill gauge hits the required threshold, usually 3 to 4 points, open that same radial wheel with Z or up D-pad, toggle over to the Fusion tab using your right stick or arrow keys, select your fused warrior, and press your Confirm button to combine mid-match. Subscribing helps out the channel, and I will catch you in the next one.